All right, y'all, Philly D back. I'm about to clean out my electrical drawer. So for all you mechanics, techs, or just anybody that's interested in like electrical stuff, we're gonna clean out the electrical drawer today. When this box was in a mechanic shop, I was using this drawer more often, but it hasn't been in the shop for like 2 years. So over the years, it's just been collecting other little shit that really wouldn't be in there if this was in a shop. Like outlet shit, like weird shit like that. But I want to clean it out so I want to, get my drawer situated like it used to be. So I'm just going to take some shit out, bring y'all along so I can check stuff out. I'm trying to make this quick though, because I don't want to take too long. All right, so we got a multimeter. Electrical drawer is not an electrical drawer without your multimeter, right? I had that for a while. We got a lot of little stuff in here, man. An amp clamp. I gotta take all this stuff out, put it all back in. Test light. I got a few test lights. I got a couple at work. Oh, wait. Okay. This is one here. And this is one. This is another. This is actually my pop's test light right here. Oh man. This is gonna fill up pretty quick. I got a lot of shit in this drawer, y'all. Yeah, wire crimpers. A lot of fuses. What the fuck? I don't even remember ordering this stuff. Circuit breakers. You stick this in the wall, it'll tell you like how much current is coming out the wall. It's kind of decent. It's like a carpenter tool. You really don't see it in automotive. More crimpers. Another test light. I bought this. So like, yeah, I do a little diagnostics, man, my little knowledge, but see how long this is? This is so when you're like trying to, you're trying to test something that's like deep behind a manifold or something, and you can't get, you don't want to take the manifold off, so you use something like this. Real long test light. All right, I got these outlet things. I don't know what that is. I got Teflon tape. Look at this shit. Oh, look at this. That's right. I got this from Scanner Danner, his buddy. This is like a little, so you're probing, you back probing something. This thing could get way down in there and get a reach, and then you use your pin up here to make connection. That's decent, right? I've used it like once or twice and never used it again. You got more of those things. These are the same things. Spark plug testers. I got a lot of little gadgets in here, y'all. Best thing that's in this drawer though is this power probe. Yes, power probe. You cannot go wrong with a power probe. If you don't have one of those, get one. All right, that's the best thing in this drawer. What else we got? We got some electrical glue in here. So when you're like piercing wires, which you really shouldn't, but you can use this, or it's basically the same thing as a tape, but it's a liquid tape. All right, here's the electrical tape there. I got a bunch of fuses and stuff, relays. Like when I used to work at the dealership, like all the cars that something's wrong with them or they was getting rid of them, I would take like all the relays out and I would keep them because they're good relays. So I got a bunch of relays. That's not even all the relays. I got more relays. Got fuses, bunch of fuses, some connectors. I got batteries in here. I got solder in here. These things are cool, y'all. These things are cool. You can basically turn stuff on and off with these. And then you can also use an amp clamp to check the amperage with these loops. with this thing here. See, you put that through the loop. You can check your amperage with that. It's like a 2-in-1 special with these. I got the other ones too, but I don't even know where they at. We got some more fuses and stuff in here. I got all types of shit. Terminals. Look at all these crimpers. I got the whole kit. Man, I've been in shops that don't even have these kits, yo. Look, terminal. Look at this shit. All types of stuff. I needed to do this a long time ago. These are these. Damn, these got solder built into the crimper. I haven't even opened them yet. Look, they still sealed up. All types of stuff. This wire stripper, I haven't even used it yet. This box has been sitting here so long. It's a fuse box kit. All types of stuff. Another spark plug tester. Spark plug tester. I like doing this shit, y'all. I like doing stuff. I like diagnosing stuff. You know what I mean? I like to learn how to diagnose stuff. I'm not no guru on how to do it. But here you go. This a micrometer. Bam. My dad gave me this joint. He said, that's your money maker right there. That's what he told me. Right there. That's the money maker. Yes, I have used it. Yes, I have used it plenty of times. But I've, you know, most shops don't even care about you mic and rotors. More test back pins. So yeah, y'all, that's pretty much it. Like, I wanted to do that, and I did that pretty damn quick. These are like your fuse buddies. You stick them in there, and then you can also, with your amp clamp, you can put it through there and get your reading. It's kind of cool, right? I got all these bulbs. You know what I mean? All these bulbs. I keep stuff like that, man. You never know when you need it. I got a little test. I made little test things so you could go into the fuse box and test things. You know, battery terminals. I got all types of stuff, y'all. But yeah, we got it cleaned out, y'all. They ain't take that long. So I gotta straighten all this stuff out. You know what I mean? Make it neat. Put it all back in there. You know what I mean? Make it look good so I can have all this shit the right way. And honestly, I gotta do that to every drawer. I ain't saying I'm gonna do that to every drawer, but y'all know what I'm trying to say. Here go another little tester. So y'all could do this. This is easy. See that? Just put one on one terminal, put the other one on the other terminal, and then you touch your negative and positive, and if the bulb lights up, then you know you got your power and ground. You know it's working, right? Easy little thing to do, y'all. But yeah, like, comment, subscribe, share, and I'll check y'all on the next one. Hold on, y'all. Hold on. I gotta give y'all the bonus footage, because this should be part of my electrical drawer. I got other electrical stuff, but it's at work. Like my main stuff, I got stuff at work, but I got another little electrical kit. It's called the relay buddy or something. It's a relay tester, and you put your relay in there, and it actually it tests your relay for you. I'm not sure if I have it. I don't know where the hell it's at. Damn it. I gotta find that for y'all, but it's a decent kit. It just basic. It does all the work for you. At least for the most part. But it is something else I wanted to show y'all that was in this drawer. Yeah, I had a little caliber tool here. Like you can measure your rotors with this, or basically whatever you need to, you know, measure, you can use this. So it's kind of cool. I got a couple of little things, man. I actually got some gauges that I had, some cables that I made before to do certain tests with, and actually I don't know where it's at, but yeah, y'all. Yeah. All right, y'all. There's more to come. Check y'all later.